Hello everyone, it's nice to see you on my channel and my video again, or for the first time, I don't know. Let me know in the comments, are you a returning viewer or watching my video for the first time. And I have Milwaukee M12 driver, it's totally not working, definitely we need to open it. Oh. Okay, I have opened it. We need to separate everything here. The hammering casing is working, moving, and the controller, we can see have a lot of corrosion here. That's a really bad sign for us and for the tool. And I don't know, it was working underwater or something. Okay, was rusty, dusty, and so on. Okay, what I will try to do, I will try to clean the board with a contact cleaner, and if that will not help, this tool will be a waste of money and will go to the recycle bin. Now as it's a little bit cleaner, we can check how it looks. Basically it looks not bad. Of course we don't know how the MOSFETs here, maybe they're shorted. Okay. Now I will use some isopropyl alcohol. Okay, now I need to give it some time to dry up. And what I want to do now, I want to basically maybe check the field looks good here. So now just inserted the armature, we'll clean the terminal. Okay, and I'll just try and test it. No light. Even the light not comes on. So it's completely dead. And for this one, you can check the spare parts price. Okay, we can write Milwaukee 4000, and we have the numbers on the sticker: 448616 616, and writing the parts. The first page is spareparttool.co.uk, and we can check how much it costs for our controller. With everything else, it's a position 53. And let's check it. And the price of it, including VAT, it's a 140 pounds, so it's definitely not worth for repair. And that's one of the reasons why I'm not buying a Milwaukee as a customer. So for this one, that's all. It's going to the recycle bin.